Are you constantly worried that she'll cheat? You probably can't shake that gut feeling when she's texting on her phone but won't show you her screen. 95% of men live in this fear of getting walked all over, friend zoned, or replaced because they don't understand what makes a woman stay loyal. Today I'm breaking down the 10 traits that transform insecure, anxious guys into alpha males who never have to worry about disrespect, betrayal in their relationships, ever. I've transformed hundreds of guys who are afraid of losing their girls into men who know exactly how to maintain respect and attraction from women. And the secret, these 10 traits that will prevent her from ever disrespecting you, looking elsewhere, or taking you for granted. So trait number 1, believe you are the prize. Alpha males see themselves as a prize. They never think, oh, she's out of my league, because the moment you decide that, it's game over. You've already lost. Look at your life. Are you constantly worried she's texting other dudes? That fear comes from one place. You don't believe you're the prize. And if you were in a room with an Instagram model, would you freeze up? That pedestalizing is killing your chances and making her look for a guy who actually believes he deserves her. And these women are just people. When you treat them like goddesses, they'll treat you like a simp because you're acting like one and keeping you around while looking for someone else for attention. Guys who believe they're the prize don't fear losing. They know what their value is, and that's the difference between men whose girls stay loyal and guys who are constantly checking their location. Trait number 2, never be the submissive one. Alpha males are dominant, they never submit, and masculine energy is dominant, feminine energy is submissive. This is why your girls walk all over you. When she tests you by mentioning other guys or flaking on plans, you fold fast because you're scared of losing her. Last week I matched with a girl on Tinder, and after messaging, I asked for her number. She responded back with, "What's your snap?" And instead, this is where 90% of you fail, because you immediately submit because you're desperate not to lose the opportunity. What did I do? I replied, "I don't mind waiting." And the result? She sent her number. Why? Because I was willing to walk away, and I made her submit to my frame instead of me submitting to hers. Every time you let a girl dictate the terms or check the other guy's messages in front of you, you're telling her you're not the man she's looking for. You're literally training her to disrespect you, and eventually that's gonna lead to cheating. So trait number 3, never tolerate disrespect. Alpha males know their worth and never tolerate disrespect. You're letting your girl keep all those guy friends who blow up her phone, and you're pretending it doesn't bother you when she posts thirst traps. And you're ignoring these red flags because you're afraid of being alone. I once dated a girl who openly flirted with guys in front of me. I tolerated it because I was afraid of losing her. And the truth, I'd already lost her. I lost her by losing that respect and accepting that treatment. And 1 month later, she cheated. No surprise. And you probably felt that sick feeling when she's already being shady, and you push it down because confronting her might mean she leaves. And the thing is, alpha males set standards and enforce them without apology. They'd rather be alone than tolerate disrespect, which is exactly why they are rarely ending up alone. Women respect men with standards. She might fight you on it, but deep down she's relieved that you're man enough to set boundaries. Trait number 4, be willing to walk away. Alpha males have the balls to walk away from any situation below their standards. Your biggest fear is losing her, so you tolerate bullshit no self-respecting man would accept. You're afraid if you walk away, you'll never find someone as special. So imagine selling your car for $50,000. Someone offers $30,000. The desperate seller takes it because he needs the money now. The alpha male would say, that's too low, and walks away without having to look back. Same with friend zoning. Most of you accept friendship scraps, hoping it turns into something romantic, and so you hang around her like a puppy, listening to her talk about other guys she's actually attracted to. And the alpha male would say, I appreciate the offer, but I'm looking for something romantic. Let me know if you change your mind. Then disappears. And I've done this repeatedly. After chasing one girl, I finally said, I don't want this friendship. I want something romantic. Let me know when you change your mind. And I walked away completely. 3 months later, she hit me up while wanting to date. By walking away, I gained what chasing never got me, her respect. The fear of losing her is the exact thing making you lose her. So trait number 5, only accept high standards. Alpha males never settle because they know they deserve the best. You're settling for a girl who makes you insecure daily. You're putting up with her texting other guys, posting and revealing pics, and making you question whether she's really yours. But why? Because you fear you won't find anything better, and you fear being alone. You're one screen unlock away from discovering she's been cheating, but you avoid checking because deep down you already know. Guys rush into relationships with low-quality women because they're terrified of solitude. They see friends getting married and panic, thinking that they need to lock anyone down. And this is why horrible marriages are everywhere. They settled from fear instead of waiting for someone they truly matched with their standards. Alpha Alpha males would rather be single and leveling up than trapped with someone bringing chaos into their lives. The moment you stop accepting disrespect is the moment you become attractive to women who never disrespect you in the first place. And higher quality women are attracted to men with standards. So trait number 6, alphas don't care what others think. This 6th trait is massive. Alpha males don't give a fuck about what others think of them. And this is exactly what's holding you back. You obsess over how you'll be perceived. What if she rejects me? What if she thinks I'm weird? And the harsh truth, the moment you start caring about others' opinions, you stop being authentic. You hide your real thoughts behind what you think you want people to hear. And people respect authenticity even when they disagree with it. They respect the man who speaks his truth more than the people pleaser who says whatever to get approval. Politicians are fake because they say what people want them to believe. And beta males do the same thing in their personal lives as well. Alpha males speak their truth, regardless of reception. And that's why they command respect, even from those who disagree. So trait number 7, have a life purpose beyond women. Alpha males have a purpose, a vision that pulls them forward daily. And you know what's unattractive to high quality women? A man without direction. A man whose entire purpose becomes keeping her happy and monitoring her behavior. The moment your purpose becomes watching her every move and worrying about who she's texting, you've already lost her. Purpose is something bigger that drives you. It gets you out of bed excited. And without it, you're just reacting to life, letting life happen to you instead of creating it. And you're reacting to her behavior instead of leading her. When you have clear direction, it magnetically attracts other women to you. Your woman wants to be a part of something bigger than just the relationship. And she'll never admit this, but she doesn't want to be your entire world. The moment she becomes your purpose, she loses respect for you, and she wants a man with his own mission who includes her in his journey, and your purpose should include getting wealthy. There's nothing noble about being broke. Women respect men with ambition and resources. Trait number 8, alphas don't compromise. Alpha males never compromise their core values for anyone ever. People constantly test your values to see if they're real or just talk. If your values are honesty, loyalty, and respect, but you date a girl who's a liar, flirts with other guys, and disrespects you, you're betraying yourself. If you value loyalty, but your girlfriend obviously doesn't, why are you with her? By staying, you're announcing that your values are just words, not principles. And when you compromise your values, you lose respect twice, from others and from yourself. And the alpha knows values aren't negotiable. Trait number 9, set clear boundaries with everyone. Alpha males set clear boundaries and hold everyone accountable to them. You're afraid to set boundaries because you think she'll leave. You see her texting other guys, posting thirst traps, and going out without you, but you stay silent and you think having no boundaries will make her love you more, but it's making her respect you less. Understand the difference between controlling behavior and boundaries. Controlling says delete those guys from your phone. A boundary says I prefer being with someone who doesn't entertain guys, clearly who are trying to get with her. And if that's not you, then I'll just move on. That's it. And I once dated a girl with suspicious guy friends, and whenever I mentioned it, she would say, oh, they're just friends, or oh, they're just helping me with homework. I ignored my gut instead of enforcing those boundaries, and the result? She cheated. No one was surprised. Your woman is testing you every day to see if you have boundaries. When she posts that revealing photo, when she mentions that guy from work, she's checking if you'll enforce a standard or be a pushover. Women are relieved when you set boundaries. It shows her you're a high-value man who won't tolerate disrespect, even if she fights you on it initially at first, but deep down she's thinking, finally, a man who knows his worth. Trait number 10, take action instead of just talking. Alpha males take immediate action while beta males just talk endlessly. And you've been suspecting she's cheating for months. You've been telling yourself you'll confront her when the time is right. You've been planning to tell her you're not comfortable with her having guy friends when things are more stable. So stop blinding yourself. You're not waiting for the right time. You're hoping the problem magically disappears. My mentor, Corey Wayne, hammered this into me. Alpha males don't spend hours discussing what they'll someday do, they just fucking do it. When they see a red flag, they address it immediately. Beta males complain to their friends about their girl's behavior, but never say a word to her. They elaborate plans, they never start, they have dreams they never chase. Action creates confidence, hesitation breeds fear. And the more you act, the more confident you become. See something you want, move on to it immediately. See a boundary being crossed, address it now. If you feel something's off in your relationship, confront it today. The woman you're afraid of losing is already losing respect for you because you won't take action. These 10 traits are required if you want a girl's loyalty. Through this exact framework, I've transformed hundreds of insecure guys into men who never worry about getting cheated on. The truth, women don't respect men they can walk all over. They respect men who know their worth and don't compromise. So you have two paths. Continue living in fear or Become the man women naturally stay loyal to. And if you're tired of settling for women you're not actually interested in, and those who don't respect you, the Brotherhood was created for guys exactly like you. Inside, you'll experience a complete transformation through my elite mastermind sessions, exclusive events, and my network of successful men that will hold you accountable and push you to improve in every area of your life. Your network determines your net worth, and the quality of women you attract reflects the man you've become. If this sounds like something you're interested in, click the link down below.